What's up, guys? So I know you really love this background and you would want to have something like this for your YouTube video. If you're a YouTube content creator or you're a content creator at all and you want to like have this beautiful background, I'm going to show you. This is not real, this is fake. I'll show you what I did. So this is the original background of this particular video. So how did I move from having this particular background to having something as beautiful as this? Yes, I'm going to show you guys. Just follow this video and you see. So the first thing you want to do is go to this website, freepik.com. That is the website to go to. Then you click on go. Now on this website you can get a lot of free YouTube studio backgrounds. I mean, amazing, wonderful, beautiful free YouTube studio background. All you have to do is type YouTube studio backgrounds. Then click on search. Now once you click on search, you would see a lot of beautiful, amazing and exciting background pictures that you can use to make your videos look exceptionally awesome and so clean. You can't just imagine. Just click on any of these backgrounds, any of these pictures, and I promise you your mind will be blown off. Then once you see the one you like, you can just click on it. For instance, I'm going for this because it looks so beautiful and it looks amazing. Now there are two ways of downloading this. It's either you buy the premium version, or you just give attribution to the owner of this particular image. So what is the attribution about? The attribution is giving attribute or giving appraisal to the owner of this particular image on your YouTube's video description. So yeah, all you have to do is just tap on the this place, then you tap on it and you can see web. We have printed items, video, apps and games, but in this case we are going for videos because this particular video is going to YouTube. So once you've done that, all you have to do is click on copy, and once you copy this particular attribution, you have to just paste it in your video's description on YouTube. Once you've uploaded your video, just place it there on the description of your video for YouTube. As you can see, it's used for online video platforms like YouTube, Vimeo. Then once you've done that, you go back and click on download. Yeah, you download, then you allow it to download. Once it has downloaded, you go to this place, and so yeah, all you have to do is just save this particular image to your phone's gallery. Yeah, you save it to your phone's gallery, and then let's go back to where we have to edit this particular video. So to edit this video, I'm going to be using CapCut. I feel CapCut is just the best to edit this video. If you have a laptop, you can use CapCut on the laptop. It has a lot of features that are not on the phone, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my phone, and the CapCut on the phone is quite limited. There are some stuff that you will find here that you will find on your system, but ensure that before you get to this point that you've filmed yourself already, you've shot yourself, you've done the video, and while doing the video, ensure that your face is well lit. If you don't have a good lighting set, or you have just a ring light, make sure that the ring light is just focused on your face, and the lighting on your face is good enough and clear. Or if you don't have ring light, just make sure you sit in front of your window where you have direct sunlight to your face. Just ensure that your face is well lit, and ensure that you use a tripod to place your phone. If you're using a phone, tripods are not that expensive. You can get one for yourself. So get a tripod and make sure that you video with a tripod, so that there'll be stability in the video and your video will not be shaky. So ensure you take into consideration all these factors. Make sure your face is well lit and your phone is on a tripod to avoid any form of shakiness in your video. So click on new project, and once you click on that, go to photos, and this is the particular image we're using. So just add it. Once you add it, the next thing you want to do is to click on overlay, in the menu that is down. Once you click on overlay, it takes you to your gallery again, like where you then you go to video, and this is the video we are using. So you click on the video you're using and you add it. Just give it like a second or less than 30 seconds to load. Now this is the video, but you might be wondering that the background of my video is still there. What should I do? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll show you what to do. Just tap on the video. Once you've done that, you come to this menu that is down. We are going to look for cut out, the feature cut out. Once you click on cut out, you see remove background. Click on it. Once you click on remove background, it will take you like about a minute or so for the background to be removed. So you can see the background is being removed. Just be patient and wait for like a minute or thereabout, and before you know it, the magic will be performed and the background will be taken off and everything will look so good and perfect like you want it to be. So in about 1 2 3 4 5, see, the background is off. Now when this background is off, you can see that everything looks okay. Now what you want to do is to position the video very well, because right now it's not looking really good or cute. Just make sure you position it. You can crop it, or you can just zoom it in to position it very well. Now the video is well positioned, as you can see, like the positioning is okay. Just ensure that you flip or you stretch the image to cover up your video so that there won't be any slacking. Once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to try to edit and adjust the video and also the image, just to ensure that everything looks good and perfect. So all you have to do is to tap on the image and just to adjust it to make sure it looks very good according to how you would want it. Just tap, adjust everything, place the video, place the image in the right position. As you can see, everything looks really good right now. So the next thing you want to do is to adjust like the video itself and also adjust the image. So what you do here is just to tap on the video, then you come down to the menu down, you look for adjust, the feature adjust. Here it is. Now we are going to adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, and the exposure. Let's start from the exposure. So you just like taking it forward is going to be a bad idea, so just take it a little backward. We can leave it at 5. Then go to saturation. The saturation, we can leave it at 8. Then the next thing, or just leave it at 10. 10 is okay. The next thing we look at is the contrast. You can take the contrast to like 15. As you can see, everything is working out well. Then brightness, just make sure that the brightness is okay and it's not too bright and it's not too dim. So once you're done with that, you can see that your video looks a lot more different from what it was before. The next thing is to work on the image. Now we are going to work on this contrast also. Just make sure that the contrast is okay and not too much. Then the saturation, just to balance it with the video, you can just leave that at 20 or 19, however you want it. The next thing is the exposure. You can increase the brightness you can increase the exposure a little. Then the brightness, just make sure that it's not too bright and it's not too dim. Just leave it at a very perfect number. You can leave it at 5 or 6, whichever. So now look at our video. Looks so perfect, looks so good. The next thing we want to do now is to try to make the background picture a little blurry, not to leave it like this. So here on the app on the telephone, you can't find all the feature. The feature you're looking for is effects, but you can't find it here. But there's an external app you can use. This particular app is called iPic. But once you click on this photo editing, it's going to just take you directly to the app. If you're using an Android, it will ask you to download the app from Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, it's actually to download the app from Apple Store. So the name of the app once again is iPic. So back to CapCut, just click on the background image, then you come down to photo editing. It takes you directly to this particular application. Then you just look for the feature effects. Effects is somewhere down here. Oh yeah, it is. Click on effects. Then here is blur. Click on the blur. You can see the image has been blurred, but then you have to adjust it so that it won't be too blurry. Just take it a little down. Let's leave it at 20. I think 20 is perfect. 2021 is perfect. Then once you're done, you click on apply to CapCut and it brings it down here. You can see. So all we have to do is just to check whether the settings are still okay. You can see the saturation, everything is still okay. And once you're done with that, that is just it. Look at your background is perfect, your video is perfect, everything is looking so perfect. So guys, that is just it. That's how you can make your background look exceptionally beautiful and make your videos more standard. It's cost you nothing. You don't have to spend any money to buy a lot of lighting, to do a lot of technical, decoration or what. So just with these simple tools, you can make your video look exceptional. If you've gained knowledge from this particular video, you know what to do. Just click on the subscribe button so that you keep encouraging us here and like our other videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.